In this video, I will give you a 25% discount code for Framer. Now, I will show you step by step and I will show you that, the code works. So first of all, you need to tap on the link in the description down below. If you don't do this, the code won't work. So please tap on the link in the description in order to go to Framer. And then once you're on Framer, go to settings right there, tap on plans right there, tap on upgrade, and select the plan you would like to pick. For example, Pro. Tap on add site plan and select your workspace. For example, Pro workspace. Tap on select Pro. And then in the link in the description, you will find a code. But the code is, let me see, partner 25 Pro yearly. As you can see, this is the code. Then tap on add or apply. And as you can see, I get a discount code of $90 per year. So please remember, this is only for the first year that you're using Framer, but still, it is a nice discount, 25% discount, and you can do some nice stuff with 90 euros, of course. So that is basically it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and again, remember to use the link in the description and this code in order to make it work. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.